Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a look at Natural Reader Plus versus Premium plan to see which one is better. So basically we have here this one for personal use. So basically you can listen to almost anything anywhere at any time. Basically this converts any text, PDF, image, web page and physical book into natural sounding audio featuring the newest and highest AI voice technology. They offer the mobile app, web app, and Chrome extension. Now, if you want to use these for commercial uses, or you want to create voices, like AI voices, voiceovers, you're gonna have to go with the commercial plan. So you're gonna have to pay for it, but you'll be able to use this without copyright. So that's the difference between them. So it's up to you on what do you want to use Natural Reader for. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.